Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Chrome settings and going straight to privacy and security because this is where download filtering lives. Once there, select security and change safe browsing to standard or off. This reduces automatic blocking. Make sure to immediately allow downloads for the specific site under content settings so Chrome won't stop repeated files. Doing this first avoids interruptions. You're reducing overzealous scanning while keeping common protections active, which balances safety versus preventing legitimate downloads. Next, focus on the site-level controls so Chrome treats this domain as trusted. You go to the site, click the lock icon, then open Site Settings and change Automatic Downloads to Allow. This directly overrides global blocks for that origin. If you previously blocked files, open Chrome, //settings/content, find the site under block, and remove it. Once done, Chrome will stop prompting or stopping repeated downloads from that source, which fixes most blocked file issues while keeping other sites protected. To finish, restart Chrome to ensure settings apply and try the download immediately. Often that cures lingering blocks. If problems persist, make sure your antivirus or a Chrome extension isn't intercepting downloads. Temporarily disable those and retry, because antivirus can block files after Chrome allows them. If it still fails, open an incognito window or a different browser to isolate Chrome-specific rules. One troubleshooting tip: re-enable protections after testing to keep your system safe while.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.